So we have here an example of trigonometric exponential equation. So 2 raised to sine squared x plus 2 raised to cosine squared x is equal to 3. So, ang isosolve natin dito ay yung x, which is yung measure ng angle. So, first, pwede natin gamitin itong Pythagorean identity para palitan itong exponent. Pwede natin itong palitan sine squared x or pwede rin itong cosine squared x. Pero piliin na lang natin yung cosine squared x. So, punta tayo dito sa Pythagorean identity. So, kung i-manipulate natin yung equation, cosine squared x is equal to, ililipat natin sine squared x sa kanan. So, magiging 1 minus sine squared x. Pwede nating palitan yung cosine squared x ng 1 minus sine squared x. So, 2 raised to sine squared x plus 2 raised to 1 minus sine squared x is equal to 3. Okay, so this time, so mapapansin nyo, exponent ng 2 dito ay 1 minus sine squared x. Pwede naman natin gamitin ang law of exponents. So, meron tayong law sa laws of exponents, no? If a raised to n over a raised to m, then a raised to n minus m. Or pwede rin baliktad, a raised to m over a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So, dito, sa ating example, a raised to n minus m, so ito siya, 1 minus sine squared x. Ang gagawin natin, babaliktaran natin yung process, gagawin natin fraction. So, 2 raised to sine squared x plus 2 raised to 1 over 2 raised to sine squared x is equal to 3. Yan. So, next naman ang gagawin natin, iset natin itong value. Since parehas na sila, 2 raised to sine squared x, set natin siya as u. U is equal to 2 raised to sine squared x. Yan. So, palitan natin yung mga nandito ng u. So, u plus 2 over u is equal to 3. Then, multiply natin both sides by u para mawala yung u dito sa denominator. So, u times u is u squared. Then, u times 2 over u is 2 is equal to 3 times u is 3u. Then, standard form niya is u squared minus 3u is plus 2 equals 0. So, merong lumabas na quadratic equation. So, solve natin yung u using factoring. So, sa quadratic equation, pwede tayo mag-factoring to get the roots, no? So, we have, since negative yung gitna, positive yung third term, so we have u minus 1 and u minus 2. And equals 0. So, using the ZPP, so we have u equals 1 and u equals 2. So, nag-set tayo kanina ng value ng u, which is u is equal to 2 raised to sine squared x. So, ipapalit lang natin siya dito. So, 2 raised to sine squared x equals 1. Then, 2 raised to sine squared x equals 2. Okay? So, inahin natin to. Since sa exponential equation, pag pareho ng base, tapos meron silang exponent, ganyan. Pwede natin i-equate itong exponents nila, no? So, sine squared x equals 1. Dito naman sa kabila, since ang 1, pwede natin siyang palitan na 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to sine squared x is equal to 2 raised to 0. Yan. Kasi 2 raised to 0 is also equal to 1. So, any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. Then, we can now equate. So, sine squared x is equal to 0. Then, sine squared x is equal to 1. Then, we can now get the square root or extract the square root. Gunahin ko lang to. Extract the square root. So, we have sine x is equal to 0. Dito naman, so square root, then sine x is equal to 1. Okay? So, since x ang hinahanap natin dito, so we can write x is equal to arc sine 0. Then dito sa kabila, x is equal to arc sine 1. Yan, to solve the measure of the angle. So, dito, pwede nating, okay, shift, tapos sine, then 0, then parentheses. Okay, so ang lalabas ay x is equal to 0. Then sa kabila, arc sine times 1. Yan. So, ang lalabas ay 90. So, x is equal to 90 degrees. Ito naman, 0 degree. Yan yung sagot.